Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Password Manager for Chrome security. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. In the upper right corner, click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down list. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Autofill in the left sidebar. Under Autofill, click on Passwords. Here, you'll see the option to enable or disable Google Password Manager. To enable password saving, toggle on Offer to save passwords. To access saved passwords, click on Saved Passwords. You can view individual passwords by if you want to add a new password manually, click on the Add button. Enter the website address, your username, and the password you want to save. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. To enhance security, enable two-factor authentication for your Google account. Head to your Google account security settings. Find the section for two-step verification and click on it. Follow the prompts to set up your second layer of security. Once done, return to Chrome. To ensure your passwords are secure, enable Offer to save passwords again if needed. It's important to periodically review and update your saved passwords. To do this, revisit the Saved Passwords section under Autofill. Consider using strong, unique passwords for each account. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version for optimal security. Regularly back up your passwords in a secure manner. Finally, remember to log out of shared devices to protect your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.